Alright guys, this is part 2 of the box and whisker plot, and now we've found our 5-number summary. Now we need to go back here and worry about steps 3 and 4 here on the paper that you have right in front of you. And step 3 says to draw a number line that includes all the numbers in the data set. Make sure it is equal spacing. So in other words, you're going to have to count by 2s, 3s, 5s, 10, and it's going to be a list of numbers there, okay? So here's what that looks like. We see here we have our 5-number summary of 10, our minimum of 10, lower quartile 25, median of 45, upper quartile 65, and our maximum of 80 here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make a number line, and if you notice here, I've counted by tens on my number line, and I started at 0 and went all the way up to 100. Okay. Again, I made sure that I would be able to see my 5-number summary on this number line. You want to make sure that your numbers include your 5-number summary so you can see it here, okay? Now I'm going to go ahead and do step 4 here, which step 4 says to plot the numbers from the 5-number summary. The minimum through the maximum are dots. The median, the lower quartile, the upper quartile are lines that are made into a box, all right? So I'm going to show you here now what that looks like on this paper here, okay? All right, if you look right here, again, it says plot the numbers from the 5-number summary. The minimum and the maximum are dots, so I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. I see that my minimum is 10, so I'm going to put a dot right above 10. All right, and then I'm going to put a dot right above 80 here. That is my maximum. All right, and then it tells me then that my median, lower quartile, upper quartile are lines that are made into a box. So I can start with my lower quartile now, and I know that that there is 25. So I'm just going to go ahead and put a line right at 25. And then I'm going to put a line right at 45. Again, I'll try to get this as perfect as possible here. And then I'm going to go ahead and make a line here, my upper quartile, which is 65. All right, so now what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to make a box. I'm going to go ahead and make a box around here, my lower quartile, my median, and my upper quartile. All right, and again, if I see that it's not hitting there, all the lines, I can make sure and do that. There's my box. Now all I have to do, that's how we get the term box here. Now all we have to do is finish now with our whiskers. And if I see that my dots are not in line here with my box, I can move my dot up. That way it's kind of there in line, okay? Which is how you're going to see it for the most part here, okay? So now all I have to do now are make my whiskers here. And so all I'm going to do is draw a line from my minimum to my lower quartile here and draw a line from my upper quartile to my maximum. And now I am all done. I have now made what's called a box and whisker plot. The more practice you get with this, guys, the easier they will be to make here, okay? So this was part 2, how you made your box and whisker plot there, okay? Thank you.